Welcome to Activity 11. In this activity, we will be developing the concept of using two-part bonds of 5 in subtraction equations where we say the equation. In a subtraction equation, we have whole subtract part equals part. To model this, that's the whole, and here are two parts. We say 5 subtract 2 equals 3. Or alternatively, 5 subtract 3 equals 2. We start with the whole. In this activity, you will need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 5, placed within a jumble pile within reach of both players. The aim is to be the first player to fill your frame with every two-part bond of 5. This means you can only collect 1 of each block. Let's begin. Player 1. They spin 5 subtract 2 equals, and they pick up the part of 3 that is the answer. And they place it on their board. Player 2 spins, and they say 5 subtract 1 equals, they place the part that is the answer of 4. When player 1 has their next turn and they say 5 subtract 4 and they pick up the part of 1, they can't place it here because that doesn't build 5. That's waiting for the part of 2. So I place it in a new row there. Player 2 has their turn. If they spin something they've already spun, such as 5 subtract 1 equals 4, they just say this equation, but they do not place any blocks. Play until you've filled your wall with every two-part bond of 5, or alternatively, set a timer for 2 minutes, and the player who places the most number of parts within that time wins.